Are you ready to flow with positivity? This meditation will guide you into a positive state. First, make sure you are in a place where you will not be distracted. Sitting upright with a nice straight spine. Let your eyes fall shut and tune in to everything that you can hear around you. The sound of my voice, the beautiful background music. Is there anything else you can hear? Perhaps the sound of the busy outside world. Maybe even you can hear the sound of your own breath. Noises are always in the present moment. They are there for you to use as a tool when you need to get grounded. Sounds are always flowing in, never stopping. It is very rare that we are in a place where there is absolutely no sound. So let's breathe in deeply and focus on the sound of our breath. See if you can breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth with a sigh, focusing only on the sound. And if your mind wanders away from thinking about sounds, this is completely normal. Just bring it back. Very good. Now just let go of the sounds and bring your hands on your chest, right over the heart. Breathe in slowly and deeply, pressing down on your chest to see if you can feel your heart beating. This is where your positivity is flowing straight out from the center of your heart. Let your hands rest back down now, just sinking into your position. Affirm that you will flow with positivity for the rest of your day. I am positive. I see only the good in every situation. I am optimistic. I am positive about other people too. I have good things to say about everyone. I say kind words to myself. I am flowing with positivity. Wonderful. Now let's let go of any worries that you might be unconsciously holding on to. We will do this with our breath, a very important tool that is always there for us to use. We will imagine we are breathing in positivity, leaving no room for negativity, and then exhaling our worries and concerns. Go ahead breathe in deeply, positive energy, exhaling any worries. Breathe in very deeply this time, good feelings. Exhaling any concerns. Again, inhale, give it your all. Breathing out any doubt. Inhale that positive vibration. Exhale any bad vibes. Only you can release negativity. Leave no room for it. Fill yourself with positivity. As you breathe in, say, I am a positive person. Breathing out, say, I let go of anything negative. In, I am a positive person. Out, I let go of anything negative. Breathing in, breathing out. Notice how this feels for you. Have you released a lot of negative things? Are you noticing you're feeling more positive? Perhaps now, from this moment forward, you find it easy to smile. You find it very easy to feel positive. And it feels good to feel positive. It is beneficial. And when you think, you create. So what you think about is what happens to you. Therefore, it is very important to think positive. Your thoughts are creating reality. Take them seriously. With all this in mind, let a huge smile come across your face. Let your smile be from ear to ear. Hold this smile and open your eyes. Allow joy to radiate from the center of your heart, expanding outward to everyone you know. You are in a state of flow. Positive vibes surround you in and out. Everyone that you meet will feel your positive vibrations, and they too will be affected by you, feeling better after having talked with you or just being around you. Now think of a few things that you are grateful for in life. And as your meditation comes to an end, remain in this state of positivity. Carry it with you throughout the rest of your day. And remember to always smile. Well done.